Driverless AI has by default the auto documentation option enabled in the Expert Settings tab, and we can download it underneath the Status Complete from the Experiments page. The AutoDoc feature is used to generate automated machine learning documentation for individual driverless AI experiments. This editable document contains an overview of the experiment and includes other significant details like feature engineering and final model performance. Let's click on the Download AutoDoc button. Currently, a document in a docx format is being downloaded on my personal computer. I'm going to open it so that we can take a look inside. Here we have everything we need to know about the experiment, and this is a very useful functionality for many companies who need to have visibility and explainability on the models that they are using for predictive purposes. On the first page, we have the experiment name, the user, and the date on which the experiment has been completed. We also have a table of contents with information about a lot of things, including data overview, model tuning, feature evolution and feature transformation, the best predictive model, and additional plots. Almost everything that you can find in the experiment page once it is completed appears in the AutoDoc. Let's navigate through the document just a bit. If we scroll down, we are going to find information about the performance of the best model, the knob settings, and the version of the driverless AI platform used to create the experiment. Underneath, we have a section concerning the data set itself, meaning the training and the testing input datasets. Please notice that we did not add any validation dataset, but this is something that you can definitely do. Here, we also get information about the features which have been used and their type. Next up, we have information about the numeric columns, their descriptive statistics, and the categorical variables. Underneath, we have the experiment methodology and additional information on the optimal experiment pipeline. We begin with ingesting the data and detecting the column types. Then the raw features are preprocessed and turned into numeric values, and there are even more model and feature tuning steps after this. Next up, we see that driverless AI created the best model from the feature engineering iterations. If you scroll further, you will find various plots and the final model chapter that I told you about earlier, where you can find the final model and the pipeline presented in a nice visualization. The scoring pipeline is yet another interesting topic, so please keep in mind that both Python and Mojo scoring pipelines are available for deployment purposes and for productionizing the final model pipeline for a given row of data or table of data. Additional information about this can also be found within the deployment chapter of the AutoDoc. You can find way more information in this document, so please don't hesitate to take your time and explore it.